How to build cold lists for your business email marketing. Hi guys, Dima here once again. Welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you how to build cold email lists. Make sure to like and follow for more. First thing you need to do is to go and get this Chrome extension called the email extractor and install it into your Chrome. Next, you go to this site called Searchmy.bio. So you put in any keyword you are looking for, and then you can choose any follower count you want, and then you search. So as you scroll down, your email extractor extension is going to extract those who have their emails in their bio, and after that all you just need to do is click this the Chrome extension, and it's going to give you all the emails, you can either copy and then go over to this site called leopardo.com/verify email, and you can now verify the emails that are actually active, because all of them will not be active. Next, download the list, and there you have it. You have an email list for you to start sending email. You can find this video on our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel link is in the bio. Make sure to like this video and follow for more.